At first, my experiences in samsara seemed most pleasant and delightful. Later, I learned about its lessons. In the end, I found a devil's prison. These are my thoughts and feelings on samsara. So I made up my mind to renounce it. At first, one's friend is like a smiling angel. Later, she turns into a fierce, exasperated woman, but in the end a demoness is she. These are my thoughts and feelings on companions. So I made up my mind to renounce a friend. At first, the sweet boy smiles, a babe of heaven. Later, he makes trouble with the neighbours. In the end, he is my creditor and foe. These are my thoughts and feelings about children. So I renounced both sons and nephews. At first, money is like the wish-fulfilling gem. Later, one cannot do without it. In the end, one feels a penniless beggar. These are my thoughts and feelings about money. So I renounced both wealth and goods. When I think of these experiences, I cannot help but practice Dharma. When I think of Dharma, I cannot help but offer it to others. When death approaches, I shall then have no regret.